Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are breaking down one of the most unusual and striking moments to emerge from the ongoing war in Ukraine, a moment that feels like it belonged to another century, yet is unfolding with modern technology and brutal consequences. Reports and footage have shown Ukrainian drones cutting down Russian attackers moving on horseback, a scene that has shocked viewers around the world and raised serious questions about tactics, desperation, and the evolving nature of warfare. At first glance, the idea of soldiers advancing on horseback in a 21st century battlefield sounds almost unreal. Horses are symbols of history, of cavalry charges and ancient warfare, not of modern conflicts dominated by drones, satellites, and precision-guided weapons. Yet this contrast is exactly what makes these images so powerful and disturbing. It shows how uneven and chaotic this war has become, where cutting-edge technology meets methods that seem pulled straight from the past. To understand why this happened, we need to look at the broader context of the battlefield. In several regions, especially along contested rural fronts, Russian forces have faced severe shortages of armored vehicles and transport. Repeated Ukrainian strikes on supply lines, fuel depots, and logistics hubs have made it increasingly difficult to move troops using conventional means. Roads are monitored by drones, vehicles are quickly targeted, and large movements are often detected within minutes. In this environment, commanders appear to be experimenting with unconventional approaches. Horses, unlike vehicles, do not produce engine heat, are quieter, and can move across rough terrain without relying on fuel. In theory, this could allow small units to maneuver through forests or open fields with a lower chance of immediate detection. However, theory collapses quickly when faced with modern aerial surveillance. Ukrainian forces have become highly skilled in drone warfare. Their use of reconnaissance drones allows them to monitor vast areas in real time. These drones are not just passive observers. Once a target is identified, strike drones or artillery can be directed with frightening accuracy. This means that even slow, moving, or silent targets are not safe if they are visible from above. When Russian troops on horseback were spotted, the response was swift. Ukrainian drone operators tracked the movement, confirming it was not civilians or isolated animals, but an organized military group. The drones followed them, relaying coordinates and adjusting angles, turning what might have been an attempt at stealth into a fatal mistake. The footage that emerged from these encounters is unsettling. Horses running in panic, riders attempting to scatter, and explosions landing with precision all underline how vulnerable such tactics are against modern weapons. It also highlights the psychological toll of this war, not just on those watching from afar, but on the soldiers and even the animals caught in the middle. This incident is not just about one failed attack. It reflects a deeper issue within the Russian military campaign. As losses, mount, and equipment is destroyed faster than it can be replaced, units are forced to improvise. Improvisation in war is not new, but when it reaches the point of using animals against drone-equipped forces, it signals severe strain. For Ukrainian defenders, this event reinforced the effectiveness of their drone strategy. Drones have become one of Ukraine's most powerful tools, allowing a smaller force to counter a larger adversary. They level the playing field by providing visibility, precision, and rapid response, all at a relatively low cost compared to traditional weapons systems. Another important aspect is the terrain itself. Much of eastern and southern Ukraine consists of open fields, farmland, and sparse tree lines. While horses might navigate muddy or damaged roads better than vehicles, open terrain often